So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can add a banner to your YouTube channel. You might have been saw that above your profile picture you will see an option of YouTube banner, which is just above your profile picture, which describes about how your channel is about, your content and everything. So you can add any of the banner on your YouTube channel. So in order to add a banner, just simply open the YouTube Studios on any browser. You can do the same process on your smartphone as well. Just for example, in this video I'm opening the Google Chrome browser and I open the YouTube Studios. You can see I'm in my YouTube Studio. Now on the left window I have to scroll down and find the button of customization. You can see it's just right there. When I click on this option, here I am on the channel customizations. Now I have to go to the option of branding over there. You can see it's just right there. Just simply click on the option of branding, and here you'll see you scroll down and see the option of banner image. Here you'll see the limitations about what would be the size of the banner and the storage size of the banner as well. You can see the banner has to be at least of this size in the pixels and has to be under 6 MB of size. So just simply hit upload over there and select the file at which you want to upload as a banner of your YouTube channel. It could be a image file, so it could be JPG, PNG or anything. So by this method you can easily add the banner to your YouTube channel. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.